In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can increase your Google Drive storage for free. So to increase your Google Drive storage, you can either, go ahead and buy their main plans for storage. Now, obviously, that is something that you're going to want to, pay for. It's not free. You're going to have to invest money, etc. So, how are we supposed to do this in a free way? Now, this is something that you're going to have to do alternatively. So, there's a lot of work in it. But what you can do is, the drive you have that has a lot of storage, you can start sharing its media with the other drives that you have. Now, if you don't, just go ahead and create a new Google account, create a new drive, and make sure that drive has free storage. Now, obviously, if you create a new drive, that drive will be free of storage. So let's say I created this new drive, okay, and I have 15 gigabytes unused. What I can do is I can simply share these files with that drive, and what we can do is you need to give them editor privileges, by the way. If you don't do that, then there's no use. So you give them editor privileges, you go ahead and share it with the account that you have, and once you've shared it with them, they are going to have that file in their drive, and what you can do from there on out is just delete it from your drive, and they won't have it deleted from their drive, but you will have it deleted from your drive. So you're not only going to have more storage, but you're also going to free up the space for the main drive that you're using. So that is basically how you can increase your Google Drive storage for free. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.